How do I know when quince apples are ready to be picked? It's Jenny on YouTube. Have you had a quince apple before?
I have not.
You have not?
I have seen quince. I've seen the trees and kind of familiar with them a little bit, but I have not eaten one of the apples. And after doing a little bit of research, I guess I understood why. You know, most. Oh, by the way, you can tell when they're ready to be picked when they're bright golden yellow.
Yes.
They'll be really bright golden yellow.
Seen
That's when they're ready That's when they're mature. It's when they're ready to be picked. But I think you might want to look at some of the recipes and put them, you know, cooked and jellies and jams and stuff like that might be a little bit better than trying to eat one fresh off the tree, because I don't think they taste quite as good as a regular apple. But
when they do turn that bright yellow color, you can smell them too. They have a nice sweet fragrance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when you know they're ready
But
to go.
have you eaten them?
Oh yeah.
You like them?
Not so much. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it depends.
We
if you're, how
tried it,
hungry
you
you
know,
are.
just
Yeah,
to see. But yeah, you're exactly right. Bright yellow, and they're easy to, you know, of course, they just pop right off the limb itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's not an apple or peach, but you know.
Yeah. It's
right.
a fruit.
It's a fruit.
It is good for you. It's high in vitamin C, and
Yeah.
you know, it's you know, let's see, what does it say? Vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and copper.
definitely good,
so
Dad.
it's good for you.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.